Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best model car is probably one of the most exciting hobbies for both kids and adults. These miniature marvels capture the essence of automotive design, offering a tangible connection to the world of cars. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting out, the world of model cars is filled with intricate details, diverse scales, and endless possibilities for display and enjoyment. Number 5. AMT 1968 Shelby GT 500, 125 scale model kit. This model captures the essence of the legendary car. It features the striking lime gold paint, just like the one driven by Steve McQueen. This classic is sure to turn heads. With over 80 parts and the classic Cobra insignia, this 125 scale replica brings the Shelby GT 500 to life. It's a must-have for those who appreciate authenticity and quality. Explore the heart of the Shelby GT 500 with its detailed engine. You can inspect every intricate detail under the hood. It replicates the power and performance of the original vehicle. Enjoy the steerable front wheels and opening doors, hood, and trunk. You can explore the accurate interior and chassis. This hands-on experience immerses you in the craftsmanship. This Shelby GT 500 model exudes timeless appeal. Whether displayed at home or added to your collection, it's a standout piece. It will be cherished by enthusiasts and collectors. What we like. This model boasts an iconic design, capturing the essence of a legendary car. Its detailed engine replicates the power of the original. If you are a fan of classic muscle cars and appreciate intricate details, you should consider this model for its authenticity and immersive experience. What people say. The bodywork is beautifully molded, with clean lines and accurate proportions that capture the essence of the Shelby GT 350. The engine and interior details are equally commendable, making the finished product look fantastic on display. The decals, which are sharp and vibrant, adding an authentic touch to the finished model. Number 4. Maisto 1929 Ford Model A Diecast Model Kit. Introducing the Maisto 124 scale 1929 Ford Model A Diecast Model Kit. It's a highly detailed replica of a classic car. This kit provides a fun way to build your own miniature vehicle. This kit comes with everything you need for assembly, including a screwdriver. You won't need to search for extra tools. It's all there, ready for you to start building. The model features opening parts and rolling wheels, just like the real thing. The pre-painted metal body adds to its realistic appearance. You'll be amazed by the details. The kit is designed for easy assembly, making it a great project for all ages. It's a fully functional rolling replica once completed. It's a rewarding experience. This model kit is a fun and educational STEM activity. It's a great way for kids to learn about engineering while building a realistic miniature vehicle. They will love it. What we like. This model is easy to assemble and comes with a pre-painted metal body. It's also a fun STEM activity. If you're looking for a fun and educational project for kids, this is a great choice. What people say. He put it together easily and said it was really good quality. Instructions are easy to follow for younger folks. The end result is exactly how it looks on the box. There are just enough pieces to look complicated to someone who is just getting into model building, but simple enough to not be overwhelming. Each part has quality and accuracy. All the pieces fit with minimal effort. Overall look is great. Well-made starter kit. That's what this is, a simple starter kit for a first-time builder. It's a perfect balance and look without the complicated instructions. It's also not fragile when complete, so it can be handled without creating a bunch of issues with parts flying off. Win-win for a starter kit. Great price and a great looking kit. Number 3. AMT 1968 Chevy Camaro Z28, 125 scale model kit. Today, we're taking a look at the AMT 1968 Chevy Camaro Z28 model kit. This kit allows you to build a detailed replica of the classic car. It's a great project for model enthusiasts. This model kit is an accurate 125 scale representation. It's designed to provide a realistic and detailed model. You'll be impressed with the level of detail. Please note that paints and glue are required to complete this model. You'll need to gather these supplies before you begin. This will allow you to customize it to your liking. The kit is designed to be easy to build. It's a great project for modelers of various skill levels. The instructions are straightforward. Detailed instructions are included to guide you through the building process. They will help you assemble the model step by step. Following the instructions will ensure a great result. This is a model kit, not a toy. It's intended for experienced modelers and hobbyists. It's a rewarding project for those who enjoy building and collecting models. What we like. This model is an accurate scale model with easy-to-follow instructions. It requires paint and glue, allowing for a personalized touch. If you enjoy the process of building and customizing your models, this is perfect for you. What people say. I like this style of window. So much easier to keep glue off glass. All parts fit well. I tubed it and put slicks on. I lowered the front of the car. First I started laying out pieces of the engine. There are a lot of pieces and I noticed standard, stock engine with standard exhaust or blown engine with headers, of any combo of any of it. Finished and really pleased with the final results. First, if you really like to details your work then go for it. This has so much to explore and I ended keeping it original with colors that will look used but clean, sharing some pics as well. Number 2. Revell 66 Chevy Fleetside Pickup Model Kit. This model kit features a detailed V8 engine. It also includes a separate bed with a positional tailgate. You'll be impressed by the level of detail. The model is built in 1/25 scale. It comes with soft black tires and a spare tire. This pickup truck is a classic. This model kit requires assembly. Paint and glue are sold separately, so you can customize it to your liking. Get ready to build your own classic. This model is recommended for ages 12 and up. It's a great project for hobbyists. It is a fun and rewarding experience. Bring this classic 66 Chevy Fleetside pickup to life. It is a great way to spend your time. Get yours today. What we like. This model features a detailed V8 engine and a positional tailgate. It also includes soft black tires. If you like classic trucks and appreciate realistic details, this model is a great addition to your collection. What people say. The details are amazing, from the interior to the exterior. The paint job is flawless and the car looks stunning. The wheels roll smoothly and the doors open and close perfectly. Number 1. KiNSMART 1967 Ford Shelby Mustang GT 500, Blue. Get ready to race with this amazing model. It features a pullback action, allowing you to experience realistic racing. Explore the interior details. The doors open, revealing the intricate design inside. This is a detailed 1/38 scale diecast model, approximately 5 inches long. It's the perfect size for display. This model is based on the iconic 1967 Ford Shelby Mustang GT 500. The design is authentic and true to the original. This is a must-have for car enthusiasts and model collectors. It's a great display piece to add to your collection. What we like. This model has a pullback action and opening doors for added playability. It's an authentic design of a classic car. If you like a model that's fun to play with and display, you should consider this one. What people say. The details are amazing, from the interior to the exterior. The paint job is flawless and the car looks stunning. The doors, hood, and trunk all open and close. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.